Hello everyone, welcome to Sci-Ease. In the last video, I have told you about nucleus and cytoplasm. I told you that various cell organelles, they float in the cytoplasm. So here in this video, I am going to discuss all the cell organelles which are present in the animal cell. Here is the diagram of animal cell. The structures or the organelles present in this are endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, ribosomes, lysosomes, golgi bodies and vacuoles. All the organelles, they are shown here. I have told you about the nucleus in detail in the last video. So first I will take endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum, they are tubules like, you can see this, and they're interconnected. They form the network in the cytoplasm. Endoplasmic reticulum, that is of two types, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. What do you mean by rough endoplasmic reticulum? When the small bead-like structure I have drawn with the red, when they are present on the endoplasmic reticulum, then such endoplasmic reticulum, they are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of ribosomes? Ribosomes synthesize protein. You can say protein synthesis is the function of ribosomes, and the protein which is synthesized here, that is transported to all parts of the cell where it is needed. So it has connection with the nucleus also, this endoplasmic reticulum. Come to the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum do not have ribosomes on them. They have some fat molecules or the lipid molecules, and this fat or lipid molecules, they result in the formation of, they help in forming the cell membrane. So what is the function of endoplasmic reticulum? You can say endoplasmic reticulum, they helps in transportation of the material from one part of the cell to the other. And also the ribosomes which are present on it helps in protein synthesis. So this is also the function of, you can say, rough endoplasmic reticulum. Write two lines about the structure of each organelle and then write the function. Because such type of the questions are there, you have to explain this organelle and give function, so you should know that. Now come to the second organelle, that is golgi bodies. Golgi bodies, that is present just near the nucleus, and they are formed by certain vesicles, stacks, you can say, placed one above the other, dumbbell shaped, or certain vesicles also, they are present. It is known as golgi apparatus also sometimes. And what is its function? Its function is storage, modification and secretion also. So golgi apparatus is again the very important organelle in the cell. The third organelle which I am going to take, that is the mitochondria. This is the mitochondria. You can see that this is double membranous structure. The outer layer, that is smooth, outer layer is smooth and porous, and the inner layer, that is produced into finger-like projections known as cristae. And there is present matrix also inside the mitochondria. Mitochondria, they are known as powerhouse of the cell. This is the function part. Why they are known as powerhouse of the cell? Because they form ATP molecules, that is adenosine triphosphate molecules for the cell. So, they provide energy to the cell. So, mitochondria, very important organelle. Now, next is lysosomes. Lysosomes, they have very simple structure. Outermost layer is there, and there are present certain digestive enzymes in it. And what they do, these enzymes, whenever some foreign particle or waste food or worn out cells are there in the cell, this lysosome, with the help of its digestive enzymes, destroy them. So, they are known as suicide bags of the cell. Mitochondria is known as powerhouse of the cell. Lysosomes, they are known as suicide bags of the cell. So, we have done endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria, lysosomes. What is left? That is the vacuole. What are vacuoles? In animal cell, this is a difference between the plant and animal cell. One difference I have told you. What is that? Cell wall is present in plant cell, but it is absent in the animal cell. Vacuoles, they are small and many in case of animal cell, but there are only one or two big vacuoles in case of the plant cell. That about the big vacuoles, I will tell you when I will draw the plant cell in the next video. So, what is the function of this vacuole? It has cell sap, and this is a layer known as tonoplast. In some animals, like amoeba I have told you, there are contractile vacuoles present. Those contractile vacuoles, they throw out excess waste or food outside the cell. Their diffusion takes place. The contractile vacuole, they will move towards the periphery, and there they will burst and throw its waste in the external environment. So, what important things I have told you about this is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Then is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Okay? Rough, why? Because ribosomes, they are present. What is the function of ribosomes? That is the protein synthesis. And what is its function? Endoplasmic reticulum, main function is transportation of the material from one part of the cell to the other, and also they form the surface for various biochemical activities of the cell, endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, then I have told you about Golgi apparatus. Function is Golgi bodies also you can say. Function is storage, secretion also, secretion of certain substances. And then comes the mitochondria. Mitochondria, they are known as powerhouse of the cell? Mitochondria. Sometimes it is asked, what is the name of the organelle which is powerhouse of the cell? So it is powerhouse of the cell. Because it forms ATP molecules, energy in the form of ATP molecules, that is adenosine triphosphate. Then comes lysosomes. Lysosomes, they have digestive enzyme and which digest the foreign material, and they are known as suicide bags. Again, the question, that is the 1 mark question, name the organelle which is known as suicide bag. Next is the vacuole. Simple structure. There are small and many vacuoles in animal cell. So I have again repeated the thing so that the function and structure of all the organelles, cell organelles which perform specific function inside the cell, you should know. Okay, so that's all about the animal cell. Diagram, you are to draw diagram like this only. The labeling should be very clear, either towards the left or towards the right, and it should be labeled in the capital letters. So in the next video, I will take up the plant cell, and then I will tell you what is the difference between, other differences between the plant cell and the animal cell, because that question, that is again very, very important. Thank you.